This is a follow-up to an earlier video I made about how to retire earlier. We're going to look at some calculations and compound interest magic. There are many online financial savings and withdrawal calculators to use. Here, we are using this great website, 360financialliteracy.org, for our calculations. In this example, I plugged in a starting amount of $300,000 with an annual return on this amount of 8%, an annual withdrawal of $20,000 for 20 years. We would end up at the end of 20 years with $408,828. So, if you anticipate being able to limit your annual expenses for 20 years to $20,000 or less, you can retire with $300,000, assuming your investment in that period averages 8% per year. If you look at how much you would have after each year, with the added interest amount, you can see how compound interest is truly magical. So how does compound interest work? Let's take a look. After 1 year, and after withdrawing $20,000, earning $22,400 in interest, your ending investment amount would be $302,400. In year 2, your balance would be $304,992. See how the interest amount progressively increases? That's the magic of compound interest. In year 20, your interest would have ballooned to $30,357. And your balance would be $409,828. In this next example, instead of a starting amount of $300,000, I plugged in $350,000 with an annual return of 8%, an annual withdrawal of $20,000 for 20 years. In this example, you'd end up with $642,876 at the end of 20 years. Of course, if your starting amount is above $300,000 or $350,000, and your annual expenses are even lower than $20,000, you would end up with more. Okay, that's my quick little video on how to use online calculators to help you figure out how much you need to retire. Thanks for watching.